In this case, we're doing a water heater flush. This is a tankless water heater, and it's recommended by the manufacturer to do this once a year. The water has some minerals, and those minerals eventually create hard water, and that hard water starts sticking in the combustion chamber of this water heater. And by flushing this heater, basically what it does, it goes through all the coils and it clears out all the buildup can be doing on the coil. It's recommended to do once a year to keep your water heater in a good condition. For this, it's simple. Again, there's things that we can use that we have at home. In this case, we're using some white vinegar. You put a gallon of water, of white vinegar with 2 gallons of water. That will help to flush that water heater. And the other things that you need, it's a pump. What this pump is going to do, this pump is going to help to suck the water from that bucket. It's going to go through that coil, and it's going to come out through this valve right here, and it's go back into the bucket. That water is just going to keep circulating. Normally you have to leave it for about 20 to 30 minutes, and that will help to dissolve some of those minerals. Yes. Dale, espérame, espérame. Dale.